are here at the DC Downtown Holiday Market 2022, post-COVID. So let's check out what they have here. I smell churros. I think that's the first stop first. Get some food. Thank you. I also have a hot chocolate, I think.
Yes, they'll call you separately for the hot chocolate.
Thank you. Welcome again to the Downtown DC Holiday Market. This annual event brings holiday cheer to the hearts of Washington, D.C. It's located at the 8th and F Street Northwest, near the National Portrait Gallery and the Smithsonian American Art Museum. It's the perfect place to get into the holiday spirit and find unique gifts for friends and loved ones. But I do want to let you know that today is the December 22nd. By the time I upload this, the last day of the holiday market is tomorrow, December 23rd. So hopefully you get to see this when it uploads and get to check out the market if you're in the DC area. This holiday market is held in a large covered tent that is heated and decorated with holiday lights and other festive decorations. And it's open daily from noon to 8 p.m. and it's free to attend. Oh, this vendor here sells really good quality utensils made with olive wood, made in Tunisia. So as you explore the market, you'll find a variety of local and international vendors selling handmade crafts, jewelry, clothing, and other unique items here. There's also food vendors, as you saw earlier, offer a range of delicious treats, hot cocoa, gingerbread, and other holiday favorites. This vendor is a local artist from DC, and many of her work is very DC themed. It's called Naked Decor. I bought a few of these mittens here as well while I was here. And here is a coaster with the map of some streets in DC. Super cute. Still more stores over there. Oh, I gotta check this out, German foods. If you haven't checked out my other walking tour video, I also have one from my recent trip to Germany. Check that out, and I'll share the link below.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
They're very DC themed umbrella.
Might come back though.
Beautiful balloons. Gifts for everyday life. It's a little busy. So in the neighborhood's textiles. Hi. Thank you.
So pieces are made out of the bombs from the Vietnam War, handmade in the country of Laos.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas side. From this Christmas side. From this Christmas side.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me in this tour. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. And I'll see you again in the near future on the next video. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button.